Hello, Half Full Monty here. And from my previous video the other day, I showed you this lock that we upgraded to, and the this part right here where the numbers are, the sun had destroyed it and it was breaking off and everything. Well, after a little research, I found that the some RV lock company that produced this came out with a upgrade for this piece right here. It's a ceramic piece. It's supposed to last longer, and they have a little video on how to install it. It's not too tough. It amounts to always keep the door held back when not in use. Anyway, so you take the screws off, take this part off, unplug it. There's a wiring harness in there. Undo the wiring harness, and then you take this part out. The trick is that you have to tilt it a little ways on this side out a little bit, and then pull it out because it goes in there like that. And then you very carefully remove just on our case, the outside, the thin plastic that was molded on there that had cracked. You get a razor knife, peel that off, clean it up, and then you go on the back side of this part right here. There's some screws. You take the back panel off, you put the new piece in, screw it all down, and you're done. So if you've got one of these, it doesn't have to be a Casita, but any of these, we got ours, I don't know, this is 2019, we probably got in 2020 or so, and it didn't take. It started cracking like the first year. Of course, we're in Texas where it's 110 degrees most summers, and it's outside here. Well, we'll keep it covered, so keep it waxed and clean, and that's about it. So didn't last long, and like I said before, we've had a couple of battery fails on it since then. But anyway, that is it. So a little upgrade, a little heads up on that. If you have an RV with those things cracking, there's an upgrade. They really should give it to you, but they don't. So you can probably even get them on Amazon. I haven't checked, but that's it. Half Full Monty out.